Kiss mo na. Wala ka pa rin boses? Hi. Where's Kali?
Nasa ba?
You know what?
What?
Find something para may bukas na Don Vito this until 5. What time is it? 2?
Payang ka naman. I
Nako.
don't mind.
Yeah, hi.
Hindi mo inilis yung
Alin?
yung hulda, yung...
Iwanan ko doon sa Winkler.
Manasan yung paper?
Hi guys.
Nandun sa doon.
May kulay na ako na ayaw. May kulay niya si isa na yun.
Ay, may kulay.
Yung isang driver na taga Winnipeg din. Welcome back to the channel. So dito na ako sa Winnipeg. Yung pagka-drop ko doon sa Atchison, may kinuha lang akong load and drop ko sa yard ng Q-Line, Saskatoon. Then diretso na ako sa Winnipeg. How are you? Wala ang aking little boy?
Yeah, so don't talk to them. Don't ignore him when you guys get home, ha?
Why?
Kasi sabi ko, magaling lang kayo pag may hinihingi kayo, ha?
Bakit? Anong nangyari?
Kasi they're playing right now. Ano yung admin abuse? Like parang party sa game nila.
Oh.
Where you can get a lot of like characters.
Oh, they're playing Roblox now?
Both of them.
Now?
Yeah, they're playing right now.
Oh,
Kasi
okay.
it started at 2.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so sabi ko yan ha, magaling lang kayo pag may hinihingi kayo ha.
Okay.
Hindi na kami uuwing 3. Sorry, told
Be careful kasi doon sa likod. Anyway, you guys, okay lang kayo? Okay lang ka lang? Okay ka lang ka lang? Okay ka lang?
Okay lang ang ngalang-alam
Ha?
mo?
Okay lang ngalang-alam mo? Wala ka pa rin boses.
Sign
I
language.
see. Mamaya mag-sign language tayo mamaya. Oh, bukas sila ng Saturday. Dito ako nagpa-parking eh. Yan sa space na yan. Pag Saturday, Sunday, close sila. Pwede doon sa big spot na yan. Pag ulo lang dyan. Dito ka na ata.
I know.
So, sarado pa naman ang Don Vito ngayon. Oh, mali yung pinaglagyan mo ng dashcam, bro.
Oy, inas kita kung ano.
Sabi ko dito banda oh.
O di ikaw kasi nga hindi ko pa maano
Oh
yung
my.
rear. Hindi ko kasi maalis yun.
Okay.
Tapos sabi ko, I'm just gonna put it kasi gusto ko may dashcam.
So wala kang rear.
Wala kasi hindi ko siya maalis.
Ano pala, ganyan pala kasi maaraw eh. So reset ako dito sa Winnipeg for 36 hours. Meron akong load ulit pabalik ng North Dakota. North Dakota lang din papuntang Red Deer, Alberta. And sounds like a plan. I know there's a plan going back ng Washington after ng Red Deer for sure. Kasi doon ako pinadala eh. So yung reload niyan sa Washington. Banat na naman ng Washington.
Papa, you're here for Christmas?
Of course.
New Year?
Oh yeah.
And Mama's birthday?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll be off on December 2nd week, after 2nd week.
Eh?
Yeah, I'm off na ako. Kasi
so wala ka
marami na
sa-
yung marami na yung maraming tawag dito. Holidays. So yung mga year end na ang mga biyahe, puro daming mga tigil. Daming mga downtime gawa ng holidays. So anyway, ito yung community. Anong community to? Church? Tyndall? Tyndall community.
Oh my God, ang small ng dog.
Ang more on dito, mga letter I, di ba? How's work, ma? Ayos lang. Yung kanyang throat ay
Virus.
virus.
Kinakain na ng Democor.
Hindi, nag-start yan sa di ba? Parang natuyo. Yun nga sa heater. Sobrang dry. Wala kayong anong tawag doon?
Humidifier.
Humidifier. So dry.
Mine has
Dry masyado yung dry yung throat. Lalo na pag matutulog sa truck. Pag matutulog sa truck, kailangan nakabukas ng konti yung bintana. Kasi pag hindi mo siya binuksan tapos naka-full yung heater mo during malamig na, kinabukasan pag gising mo, yung lalamunan mo tuyong-tuyo. So kailangan makasingaw ng konti. As in konting-konti lang.
Makashinga.
Yeah, makasingaw yung init, makalabas din, mapasukan ng konting lamig para hindi mag-dry yung throat. Naranasan ko na yan before. Nung sinirado ko lahat doon sa ice road, kinabukasan, tuyong-tuyo yung aking lalamunan.
Kasi nga we sleep with our mouth open.
Yeah, pasok siya. Yung pala, nakahigop ka na ng hindi maganda. Sa loob ng shoppers, yung aking anak at saka aking asawa kasi may nga siya sa kanyang lalamunan. Anyway, shoutout ko lang itong mga taga 27 Infantry Battalion, Philippine Army, Juliet Foxtrot Alpha. Good morning, kumusta? Shoutout po. And from 27 Infantry, Philippine Army. Yeah, shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan, mga sarge, mga boss. Salamat sa inyong serbisyo para sa ating mga kababayang mga Pilipino. Maprotektahan sila, but you know the drill. So again, magre-reset ako for 36 hours. Dinala ko lahat ng aking mga kailangan labhan. Bukas marami kaming gagawin. Laba, grocery. Ito pa, ayusin ko pa tong dashcam. Lilipat ko dito dahil itong aking anak, last time ay nasagi siya sa gilid. Ito yung sagi niya. So kailangan ko dalhin yung sasakyan sa Don Vito para ipagawa. Ito yung sagi niya. Yeah. Yan, sinagi. Tapos ito na medyo na dent ng konti sa loob. Itong sagi niya. Yan, itong plastic, papalitan ng bago. Yan. So yung isang driver daw biglang nag-cut sa kanyang harap. Kaya importante na meron kayong dashcam lagi. Tapos yung dashcam namin, sabi ng Viewfo, di ba? Ang daming pinadala ng Viewfo sa akin na dashcam. May mga pinagbigyan ako, mga kaibigan, subscribers. Yung aking dashcam na nailagay sa aking truck, sa aking car, yung luma na T130 na Viewfo. Yung unang pinadala ni Viewfo sa akin na tawag dito, 3 channel, isa sa front, isa dito sa harap, isa dun sa likod. So ngayon, dahil luma na siya, yung mga bagong pinadala sa akin, hindi ko ginagamit sa aking car. Binibigay ko sa ibang mga nakikita kong subscribers. So ngayon, yung kami nang may kailangan ng dashcam, yung dashcam namin na kailangan makuha namin yung video, wala.
Yeah.
Ano to?
Wala.
Yeah, so wala kaming nakuha.
Not good.
So ngayon, sa daming pinadala sa akin na dashcam ni Viewfo, nothing. Bumili ako ng dashcam ng Viewfo. Binili ko ng, what's that? Oh, yeah. Bumili ako ng dashcam na $230. So yan ay 2 channel. Isa niyan, pero hindi pa naikabit yung isang dashcam sa likod. Kailangan ng 2 channel, guys. But yun nga, yung kasama palad kung kailan na kailangan namin yung video.
Saka hindi mag-work.
Tsaka walang nakuha. Paano ba nangyari doon?
Ha?
Paano nangyari doon yung
Tayo makalog in
No, I mean, paano kanya binangga?
here sa side.
Sa side, nag-overtake siya?
Magkatabi kami and he was trying to overtake, but
Mm.
I guess he wasn't doing any shoulder check.
Kasi hindi siya nag-check banda dito.
Yeah, 'cause we were
Nagliko
right-
agad siya.
Yeah, we were right beside each other.
Buti hindi malaki ang damage.
Yeah, buti he was cooperative. Buti he filed and he actually...
So, i-admit na may kasalanan niya.
Yeah, in-admit niya kasi tinanong niya ako, sabi niya, were you trying to change lanes? Sabi ko, no homeboy, you were trying to change lanes.
Mhm.
Just
So-
because I look young? If a fool-
Gusto nilang ikaw yung fault.
Siguro hindi niya lang namalayan. Maybe, I mean, it was too early.
Mhm.
So maybe wala pa siya sa sarili niya. Or
Yeah.
maybe pauwi pa lang siya galing.
Pero in-admit niya na fault niya.
Inadmit naman niya na fault niya.
Sinabi ba ng NPI na inadmit niya? Okay.
Email.
So sa mga ganong situation kasi guys, hindi mo kailangan makipag-away, you know?
Just talk calmly.
Yeah, kunin mo lang yung pictures, everything pictures, yung lugar kung saan nangyari, anong oras, okay? Yung klima kasi tatanungin din, di ba? Anong oras?
Kung naka-winter tire ka or hindi.
Kung naka-winter tire.
Condition ng road, kung dry ba, wet.
Yeah, ang daming itatanong sa'yo ng insurance.
Hindi ba, mga ganun mga weather condition.
Then, ang pinaka-importante sana talaga, dashcam.
Yeah.
Kailangan talaga merong dashcam kayo sa inyong sasakyan. Hindi lang sa front, no? Hindi lang sa front, kailangan meron din kayo sa likod.
Pero hindi naman nila as sa MPI kung may dashcam ka ba or hindi.
Oh, well.
Anuhin lang nila, parang additional proof lang naman sa solidify ng ano mo.
Na i-statement mo na kasalanan niya. Pwede mo siyang sabihin mong
may evidence ka.
May ebidensya ka, yeah.
Kasalanan.
So, ako ang napabili ng dashcam. Ako yung binibigyan ng dashcam ni Viewpo. Ako yung bumili. Baliktad nangyari, no?
Kasi you were sharing your blessing.
Yeah, sinishare ko kasi yung aking mga dashcam sa viewers. Kung sino yung makikita, mga kaibigan, mga kamag-anak, binibigay ko. Ako yung nawalan. Pero okay lang. At least meron na. Tapos ito, tatrabahuin ko yan para yung dashcam sa likod, gagana na naman.
Oh, kanino ito?
That's mine.
Oh, kaninong phone to?
Tapos, walang ilaw dito sa garahe.
Kasi, napundi.
Napundi na yung aming sensor.
Motion sickness.
Motion. Pero,
And meron kami ditong alaga na walang boses. So, nag-sign language lang kami.
mamaya na yung mga gamit.
Yung alaga namin.
Mamaya na kasi marami akong ibababa dyan. Tara.
Rare breed. Rare.
Yung dalawa.
Oh! Wait lang. Okay, you guys should go.
Oh, ito yung camera. Tinanggal mo na pala?
Yeah, natanggal ko na. Wait, hello, I'm scared. Baka may taga doon.
Anong ginawa? Bakit?
I need to alis the ano.
So, yun, ang sa Lunes, dadalhin ko sa insurance yung car para pagawa. Meron lang quotation kung magkano magiging gastos, everything. Nawawa naman to aking asawa. Hi!
Hi.
Kiss mo na si Papa, come here.
Oh, is that ice cream cone?
Yeah. Kiss si Papa, wala kang kiss. How's your party?
What?
Bro!
What?
Bro,
There's no owl.
walang battery to?
Wala, it's all broken.
So paano siya nag-ano?
Wait, sama yan.
No, it's okay. So anyway, nandito na ako sa bahay. Ciao muna. Pagod. Happy to be back sa home sa Winnipeg. Shoutout sa mga taga Winnipeg dyan na nandito, na nanonood ng Pinoy Tracker Channel. Maraming salamat at affiliated kayo sa tracking vlog. Kahit hindi kayo mga truck drivers at nagugustuhan ninyo yung mga content na mga ganito. So, dito na. Happy to be here for 36 hours again. Nag-36 ako sa Wyoming and then 36 ulit ako dito sa Winnipeg. Then balik ako ng trabaho by Monday. Kita-kita tayo sa Monday. Oh no, Sunday. Saturday pala ngayon. So may vlog pa ako bukas. May vlog pa ako sa Monday. Daily vlog. Ito yung aking binili sa Viewfo. Ito ay A129 Plus Duo. Isang harap at saka isang likod. Sony Starvis sensor with Wi-Fi, with app support, built-in Wi-Fi, CPL filter, GPS logger, Bluetooth remote. So ito yun. Ito yung tatanggalin ko dito. Papalit dito siya sa likod. Ngayon, kailangan kong baklasin to. Ay, ay, ay. I don't know kung saan anong ginamit ng batang yun. Gas-gas na. Where is it? Asan na yun? Asan ka na, boy? Hey, boy. Wala, man. Yan. So, hindi siya USB type, guys. Kaya ang problema, i-wiring ko ulit siya. Kasi kung USB type lang, hindi ko na siya kailangang i-wiring eh. So, babaklasin ko lahat. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 man. Ay. Ito yung camera sa likod. Okay. Tama ba? Kasi kailangan may camera eh sa likod. Yan, ito yan. Magandang klase ang Vivo. Trusted ko na ito eh. Partnership to ng aking ng aking mga vlogs. Center. Okay. Okay. Sponsor naman. Hindi to hindi sponsor. Hindi to sponsor ng Vivo.
You can't get it, no.
Ano?
Saan mo na naman nilalagay yan?
Okay. So dapat meron tayong tape dito eh. Okay, look at this one. Pag maglalagay ka ng ganito, dito mo siya susuong sa ilalim.
Ano tatanggal pala yan?
Yeah. Asan yung ginamit mo doon sa gilid dito? Wala?
Wala. Wala pa ako inaalis dyan. Takot na akong mag-alis.
Suksok mo lang siya dyan sa lalim, guys. Hala. Hala, hala. Siya. Okay. Matrabaho lang to siya pag magkalalagay kayo ng mga dashcam kasi hindi naman siya pwedeng pag naglagay kayo nandyan lang yung wire eh. No? Kailangan mo siyang singit-singit. Yeah, ganito. Singit mo siya sa lalim. Madilim lang, pasensya na. Madilim. So lahat ng wirings diyan nasa sa gilid, hindi mo siya kailangang buksan yung panel. Okay. Okay. So naikabit na tong connector dito. Mali pa ako dito, dapat ito ay doon sa likod eh. Dapat yung isa naka L-type. But kukuha ka na lang ng yung sobra, tatago mo na dito sa loob para hindi ka mahirapan na saan mo ilalagay yung sobrang wires kasi mahaba to. Then yung iba suksok doon. Tago, iba tago. Okay, tago dyan. Tintirahin dito sa ilalim. Yan na maglagay ng mga dashcam guys. Dati hindi ko alam to. Sabi ko paano kaya yan itong wires, di ba nakatago lahat. Wait pa. Hala, 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 hala. Hala, sira na. Okay, naka-on na yung view phone, then dashcam. Yan na. Then meron silang kasamang clip para dun sa wires. Okay. Whoosh. Connect to the system. Then okay, kukunik mo yung wifi niya. I don't know which one is the wifi. Yan, wifi. So para makuha mo yung mga videos dito sa kanyang camera, kailangan mo i-connect yung wifi niya. Beautiful password. Okay. Come on, show it to me baby. Dito. Para ma-check ko rin yung sa likod kung gumagana yung sa likod ng internet. I mean sa wifi. I mean sa viewful sa camera. So connect camera. Then put it down. There you go. That's it. So may camera na sa likod. Pwede siyang multiple. No file. There you go. Malinaw siya, guys. Naka 2K lang siya pero napakalinaw. Switch camera. So nandito sa kanyang video ang kanyang, ilagay mo yung plate number mo, date stamp, time, speed. I think parehas naman yata lahat sa mga ano, sa mga dashcam, no. So audio recording, loop recording 3 minutes, video resolution 14600, motion detection, J sensor, time zone, GMT plus 6. Hey. Huh?
You got a new recycling bin?
Yeah.
How much do they charge you?
No, it's free. Wait, what happened to your bin?
Oh, my back wheel fell off.
Oh.
So they're coming.
Yeah, I think you have to claim that. It's called that 311.
Yeah, I heard that you had to pay for yours.
Yeah. They replace it, a new one.
Yeah, with no charge.
No.
Yeah.
Because that's their fault. The truck.
Well, yeah.
Maybe they put it down so hard.
It's horrible.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
Yeah, I got a new one.
Yeah, my new one's coming December 3rd.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I won't be here.
Oh,
It doesn't matter.
where are you going?
I'm going on a cruise.
Again?
I love it. I love it, Mark. I tell you, I love it.
Anyway, maybe if we can.
Well, no, I'm going to get Dawn.
Okay.
So, yeah, I'll put it out before I leave. I leave December 3rd in the morning.
How many days for the cruise?
15.
Ah,
About 15 days.
how much?
This one cost me $2,500.
Not bad. 15 days.
Yeah, that includes the bar pass.
Where are you going? Alaska?
No,
Europe?
through Tampa, Aruba, Cayman Islands, Cozumel, Dominican, Jamaica.
Wow,
Yeah.
nice.
Uh-huh.
Enjoy your life.
Well, I don't sooner get back than I'll leave again on the 26th of December
Oh, really?
for Cuba.
Oh, you're gonna stay there for a couple of days.
2 weeks.
2 weeks after the cruise.
No, you can't fly to Cuba from Tampa.
Oh, okay.
American. Yeah, but after that, I get home to Cuba on January 9th, leave for Mexico on the 25th.
Oh, wow. Busy, eh?
And then I
You're
get back
you're
here.
skipping Canada.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Then I get back, and then I'll leave and get more sport.
Wow. Enjoy your life.
Well, you know what? I'm not getting any younger.
I know, right? But yeah, that's a good thing.
Might as well do it while I can.
Yeah, enjoy. But maybe sometime you visit my country.
You know what? My sister and her husband, a bunch of people that are going on the cruise at this time, they are going on a cruise through Asia. They get from the Philippines. They hit 3 ports in the Philippines.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe you should try that one.
They're trying to talk me into going, and I'm sitting on the fence right now.
Yeah.
You know, I'm just kind of sitting on the fence.
Maybe next year after that one, try
Well, no,
the
actually,
Asia.
27. When we're on the ship, we're booking a cruise to the Panama Canal
Oh, really?
for 2 weeks.
Wow.
Yeah.
First time. It's the first time to cross the Panama.
Oh yeah.
Wow. I see that. I see only that in YouTube.
I know.
Wow.
I know, but you know what? It'll be quite an experience. Early, it takes 2 days.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. But you know what? It'll be interesting.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy your life.
You know, I have to. I'm not getting any younger.
Yeah. Yeah, have a good day.
Okay, see you later.
Siya yung ano, alam nyo guys, siya yung nagsumbong lagi sa akin na yung aso ko, kasi may aso ko dati eh. Kalaban niya yung mga aso ko. Pero we're friends now. Nung ni-read off ko yung mga aso, kasi kaya nagagalit yung mga aso ko every time na dadaan siya naglalakad, ginaganyan niya, ginaganyan. So yung mga malalaki kong aso, galit na galit, nagtatahol, nagsusumbong ng 311. Hanggang sa we decided, kasi dalawang aso kong malalaki, and then we decided na okay, get rid of the dogs, then nila sa Steinbach. And then until we became friends. Yun lang bahay niyo. Walang asawa yun. But anyway, everything is good. Camera so clear. Maliwanag. Ata! Kensley! Kensley! Kensley? Check it. So, okay na. Yeah, dito dati mga aso ko. Tapos dumadaan siya dyan. Ginaganyan niya. Grrr, nagagalit yung aso ko. Kaya inalis ko na lang para walang away. Okay na. Look at this.
Oh,
So
switch
that's-
lang. Switch camera lang?
Yan o, clear no? So
Paano yung ano niya? Yung SD card mo?
SD card, dito lang.
Ah, dyan lang?
Isa lang yung SD card, kukunin mo agad. Pagka may mangyayari uli, shut off agad ang camera. Okay, take it off, this one. Para hindi na siya mag-record, okay?
Okay.
For example, dinali ka, take it off. Kung sa harap, take it off.
Hindi, bawal bang kuhanin ko na agad?
Kunin mo agad yung memory card kasi nandito lang yung memory card.
Or kunin
Take
ko
it off.
agad yung clip?
No, itong memory card kunin mo agad. Para hindi na
Hindi
siya
dapat may spare akong memory card.
Yeah. Or kung gusto mo pagka kunin mo agad yung clip or take it off the memory card para hindi siya ma-overwrite
Yeah.
agad. Yeah, okay na.
Okay, thank you.
So what else?
Why is he stealing my fruits?
Earn.
Why he
Huh?
Okay.
Earn? What is earn?
It's one.
One. You know Wahed?
What is Wahed?
Wahed.
What is that?
Wahed means one.
And what language?
Arabic. You know Talat?
What is Talat?
30.
So you say Talat?
Talat. Talatin.
How do you know that but you're not even Arabic?
I worked in Saudi Arabia before. You know Arba'in?
What is that?
40.
Abraham?
Arba.
Orba.
Arba.
Arba.
In.
In.
Arba'in.
Arba'in.
That's 40. Ta.
Ta.
La.
La.
Tin.
Tin.
30. Talatin.
Talatin.
Arba'in.
Arba'in.
Mitin.
What does mitin?
20. Mitin. Kasi siya, speak French, speak Arabic.
What's Swasong?
Ha?
Swasong.
Wasang?
No,
Yung
Swasong.
Ha?
Swasong.
Swaso?
Yeah.
Yung nagwawala, swasang, wasang, nagwawasang.
Swasong means 60.
Oh, 60.
You need to know how to speak French.
I know, I can speak French.
Because you're going to France.
Yeah, I go to France.
No,
I eat a lot of French fries.
Huh?
Yeah. I speak French, I speak Italian, I speak Spanish. Derecho amigo, derecho amigo.
What's own?
Ounce?
Yeah.
Ounce, like 1 ounce, 2 ounce.
No, it's 11.
That's in Arabic, that's wahed, ashara wahed. Ashara wahed.
Alasha Wahed.
Ashara, wahed ashara.
Wahed.
Wahed,
Wahed.
ashara.
Ashara.
Itnin,
It means
ashara.
Ashara.
That means 12. So guys,
How
tapos
about
na ako sa ano.
Dues?
2.
No, it's 12.
Dues. That's wahed ashara.
How about cat.
13.
No, it's 4.
That's Arba.
No. How
Arba.
about, what is Arba? Like,
Arba means 4.
how about like,
Huh?
like,
Ang 5 ay kamsa. Wahid, iknin, talat, arba, kamsa, sita, saba, tamanya,
So this might actually come in handy.
tis'a, asyara. Wahid asyara, iknin asyara, talat asyara,
For me to play
arba asyara,
right
kamsa asyara,
affects all of these, and I'm gonna place down
then
every single one of the sprinklers.
iknin.
Did they actually?
Wahid itnin,
So let's go ahead and grow all and
iknin. Anyway guys, tapos na ako dun sa garahe. Nandito na kami ni Macaulay. Hug ang aking bunso. Kasi ito na lang ang pwede kong ihag today. Dahil yung dalawa ay big boy na. Big girl, big boy na. So hindi ko na sila pwedeng lalambingin dahil wala na eh.
how about Chevrolet?
That's 50.
No, that's a horse.
Horse in in Arabic, donkey. That's donkey. Yeah, donkey.
Is it like a black horse?
Yeah, it's a wild donkey. You want to say hi to them?
No.
Say hi to them.
No.
super big when I did that.
So I'll see you guys on my next. Next?
Big pairs. I don't know.
What next? I'll see you guys on my
Next
next.
year.
I'll see you
Next
guys on my
video.
next video. Daghang salamat pag-amping tanan. Naanak ko sa balay. Visit sa Winnipeg for 36 hours. I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye.